Hi guys, today's video is my December Topbox unboxing. This is the last Topbox for 2019. Just a quick little recap of what Topbox is. It's a subscription box in Canada. They actually upped their price. It used to be $12 a month. It is now $15 a month, so it cost me $16.95 Canadian. I'm in Ontario, so that's with tax. And yeah, big kudos to Topbox for shipping this out before the 15th. Usually, at least in my experience, they've always shipped out if you get a regular box on the 15th. But I think they're aware that postage right now is a little bit slower, so very much appreciated that I got like a shipping notification on like Friday, I think it was, saying that they sent this out. I just got a regular Topbox box this month. There was nothing in the wish list. I can't even remember what was in the wish list. There was nothing that piqued my interest, so I just went with a regular one, and let's just open it. Okay, so the first product that I have in here is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Heat Styling Spray for long-lasting smoothness, heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is clearly a full-size product. This is a really nice product. I was just saying, I pretty much everything I've tried from Living Proof I really like. So yeah, you spray this on damp or dry hair, and then so it would have been nice if I had done it before I curled my hair today, but going forward, yeah, this will be a really nice product. I'll put all the pricing on the screen because I don't know what this costs, but I'm gonna guess it's probably like a $20 to $30 product if I'm correct. So yeah, so that's the first product. A little card that doesn't tell us anything. I don't even know why. Topbox, save a tree. Maybe don't do these anymore, or if you're gonna do them, put something useful on them. Just saying. Okay, this is interesting. I actually just commented on Lauren May Beauty's video on this product. This is a mini, but I have the full size, which I'm not mad about because I do like the product. This is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. So yeah, we got the full size. I want to say that was in the Fall Luxe box, maybe. And I've used it a handful of times, and I do like it. It's a really nice product. So, I mean, to have like a little travel, this might come with me over the holidays, because it would be nice to have this little product. So the next product is in a box. I've seen this brand before. I'm not sure if I've ever received this brand, but I have seen other people talk about it. It's the Laritzi Cosmetics, and this is the Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator. So that's the box. Let's just open this bad boy up, and it's in the shade Pearl. I'm not usually a huge liquid highlight person. Okay, it's very white. It's very nice packaging. So that's what it looks like in the packaging. Yeah, very nice, but it's very light. So Pearl is an apt name. Let's swatch it. Yeah, it's very white. I'm just going to shear it out. I could see maybe using this not as like a face highlight, but as a, I don't know, there we go. Over eyeshadow, this could be really nice. I'll have to see if it dries down, because if it doesn't dry down, over eyeshadow might not be very useful. I mean, it's very reflective. We'll give that a second to see if it dries down. And the last product in the box is this little Pantone. Sometimes, sometimes these samples surprise you because they do last longer, but sometimes they're like, I got like one use out of it. But anyway, this is the Biotherm Blue Therapy Amber Algae Revitalize. No idea what that is for. It's for all skin types. Intensely revitalizing day cream. Oh, there we go. Repair, moisturize, and illuminate. I'm hoping I get enough out of this product that I can tell if I like it or not. There we are. There he is. There's that little guy right there. Yeah, the size of that is 0.16 fluid ounces. It's 5 ml. It would have been nice if it were like a 10 ml. So quick recap I got in the box. I got the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Heat Styling Spray. I got the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. The Laritzi Liquid Beam in the shade Pearl, and the Biotherm Blue Therapy Amber Algae Revitalize. Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's drying down, but it doesn't feel too sticky either. I don't know. Although I'm like shearing it out all over my hand, it actually looks a lot better. So maybe it kind of gives you that like glass skin look. Perhaps really sheared out. I have to play with it. So yeah, I really liked this box. So far I've been pretty happy with pretty much all of my Topbox boxes. I'll put a little like numbers thing here, like value of the products and what I spent on the screen. But I'm going to do a recap of all of my Topbox. So this was the first year I tried Topbox, and I did it from January through to December. So I'm going to do a recap of everything that came in Topbox and what I think of it. A quick summary, you definitely get good value most of the time. There's always one or two boxes that people get, and it's like, the value of that box was like nowhere near the other boxes. Like, it's a bit weird. So again, Topbox, I wish they would kind of make sure that maybe someone does some math before they send boxes out to make sure like either everyone that month gets a box that's worth around a certain value that's like here, or everyone gets one that's worth a value around here. Like none of this. But anyway, that'll be a later video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, feel free to give it a little thumbs up down below. I would love it if you did subscribe to my tiny little channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.